In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to WordPress, specifically for those running an online store using WooCommerce. This process is straightforward and can be crucial for handling secure transactions smoothly on your site. So let's dive right in. First off, you'll want to ensure that you have WooCommerce installed and activated on your WordPress site. WooCommerce is an essential tool for online stores, allowing you to manage your products, orders, and customers seamlessly. If you haven't installed it yet, head over to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to the plugins section, and search for WooCommerce to get started. Once you have WooCommerce up and running, it's time to install and activate the official Stripe Payment Gateway plugin. This plugin, often named WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway, is key to processing payments through Stripe on your site. Go to Plugins in your WordPress dashboard, click Add New, and search for the WooCommerce Stripe Payment Gateway. Install and activate it just like you would any other plugin. Now that the Stripe plugin is activated, go to WooCommerce Settings in your WordPress dashboard. From there, navigate to the Payments tab. Here, you'll see a list of all available payment gateways. Look for Stripe and make sure to enable it as your preferred payment method. Enabling Stripe will let you accept credit card payments and more right on your site. Next up, click on the Stripe link to begin configuration. Here, you'll need to enter your Stripe account details, specifically your publishable key and secret key. These keys can be found in your Stripe dashboard. If you're planning to start transacting right away, it's important to switch from test mode to live mode. This is crucial for real transactions to go through successfully. Stripe offers a variety of features to enhance payment security and flexibility. Be sure to enable those you need, such as payment methods like cards, Apple Pay, and Google Pay, and security features like 3D Secure. Take some time to explore these options within the Stripe configuration to tailor it to your store's needs. While you're in test mode, run a few test transactions using test keys to ensure everything is working smoothly. This is your chance to catch any hiccups before going live. Once you've ensured that all configurations are in place, save your changes. Before moving to live mode, it's wise to run a couple of test orders to verify the checkout process end to end. This helps confirm all settings are properly configured and that the payment gateway flows as expected. After testing, go ahead and move to live mode to start accepting real payments. Lastly, an optional but recommended step is to enable webhooks in Stripe and configure them in WooCommerce. This step is crucial for ensuring payment status updates and other crucial transaction data sync properly between Stripe and your site. And that's it. You've successfully connected Stripe to WooCommerce on your WordPress site. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more WordPress tips and tutorials.